what better way to start about learning astronomy before going into these inner planets? Well, what does this mean? Inner planets. They mean terrestrial planets. Well, what does that mean? Well, what I mean by that is that they're the first four planets in the solar system, or is a better way of putting it, they are terrestrial. Terrestrial means that they are largely rocky, and the outer planets, which I'll do in the next video, they are largely gaseous. They're in fact called the gas giants. Here are the names of the planets in order. First we have Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars. I've colored them according to their characteristics, and these are probably not the most scientific pictures you can get, and if you really want to see a picture of them, you can Google it up. We have the internet nowadays. So I'm going to begin in order, chronologically. I'm going to go by Mercury first. Mercury is the smallest of these planets, these terrestrial planets, and it has many deep craters. It also has a very thin atmosphere, meaning that it's hot during the day and cold during the night, which is something unlike Earth because the temperatures are, well, more or less the same. Not the same, but in the same range. Venus, however, is extremely hot. The reason for that is because the thick, toxic atmosphere traps in all the heat. And, yeah, so in essence, it's the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth, however, is really cool. And that was a joke because there's a lot of water on Earth, and perhaps is the only planet in which liquid water is confirmed on. Here on Earth, and yes, this is our home. Why don't I write down home? Oh, wrong tool. Home. We love being at home, don't we? This is our home. And what's necessary for living organisms to survive? Yes, this is going to be a repeat of my biology videos. If you're interested in biology, you can watch those. But liquid water is a universal solvent, and it's required for living organisms to survive on. And you might say, what about oxygen? Well, yes, we humans do need oxygen, and many mammals. However, some or many organisms do not need them. For instance, algae, etc. And finally, we have Mars. Mars is often called the red planet due to the rust of iron materials, right? In this. And that's about it. We learned the majority and the basics of these inner planets. We'll get back to them in future videos. See ya.